everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a black bimbo girl in a fantasy world. Pick me up, I'm your daddy. So rock and roll, with glamour and pink. Do this, hanky panky. Touch, you can play. You say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Loving plastic, it's fantastic. And just me everywhere. Imagination, nothing's your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Make me talk, do whatever you please. I can hide like a star, I can beg on my knees. Bimbo friend, let us do it again. Do it down, beat the ground, bimbo party. Touch, you can play. If you say, I'm always yours. You can touch, you can play. You say, I'm always yours. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah, come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Loving plastic, fantastic. You can brush me and dress me everywhere. I think your creation. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Loving plastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah, come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Oh, I know you can. Buy my EP. Comes out December 7th. I'm putting it on YouTube. Exclusive, straight up, I'm a slut. 7 tracks of sexiness and suaviness and swishiness. Coming straight out of me studio, aka the bedroom. Gonna win Grammys, gonna win all that shit. So yeah, make sure to tune in. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all that shit. And I'll see you for the EP, December 7th, 2021. So get that strap on and get that bong out because we're gonna have a great fucking time.